Innovation fuels society, enabling organizations and their people to create, grow, and transform. But insights about how exactly innovation works are fragmented. Digital transformation has a success rate of less than 30%, and the delivery quality is inconsistent. All of this then, of course, exacerbated by the context of COVID-19 and the slow progress in combating climate challenges. But how can change makers manage the innovation process, solving organizational challenges all in line with our finite resources? Meet the Good Workshop is simply a powerful B2B SaaS platform that provides services for innovation management and sustainability. 1. We will help to improve digital transformation success rates through innovation tracking capabilities. 2. Democratizing design thinking and human-centered design through community education. 3. Shifting innovation to be more sustainable by facilitating the ROI on circular economy. My name is Faisal Lusayef, CEO and founder of The Good Workshop, and to my team I want to say good afternoon, good evening, and good night.